Monica, okay? Of course. Peace, foundational peace. You know that go? Peace, foundational peace. Manandashal peace. Then when them mother Fabian is go no live, share this video. Click on like and love. Click on like and love. She, Doris Njaka, I greet you. Doris Agbara say, I greet you. China She, I greet you. Okoli Jean Mary, Ekenem, share this video. Click on like and love. Ay, Chineke. Ay. Those days, Ifana Gwaye Una. Nwoke no chog nwanyị enwela akụkọ. Indeed, what we have now, what we have now is nwanyị no chog nwoke enwela akụkọ. Ifele je park na-emem. That guy enweghị shame. Kita can confirm na that guy enweghị shame. Tata can confirm na that guy enweghị shame. You gotta go. Nwoke no chog, nwanyị no chog nwoke enwela akụkọ. Look at ife dị mkpa mmadụ nọ na-eto onwe ya ule. I nwere okwu with Ogechi, you couldn't even do anything. You are handicapped, you couldn't do anything. There is nothing you could do upon all the contact and shout of manenu up and down. No matter nwanyị ibe yenya na enwere okwu. Jem Ogechi arrest pụta na Facebook, nọrọ na Facebook na-aba shamelessly. Akpọ ndị nwoke pụta epụta. Asị ndị nwoke oye epụta. Sometimes if look at it, if I on Facebook a disgrace yari onwefa. Ndị sịrị na fa nwoke. Look at if hand on a face, okay, Ejike Samson, off you go. Have a nice day. Yes, off you go. I need no distraction. Because when any draw they send that angry emoji. Happen of I always know how to settle them. I know how to settle umwe flavor. You gotta go. You gotta go. Yeah? 5-star. I the shame say me and him but what they are the same place. If you okay, let me tell you people. Fortunate, Dr. Fortunate, I greet you. Let me tell you people the implication or the reason for what the Nigerian police force did in their official Facebook platform today. Forget about Ndefulefu. You gotta go. People who celebrate nothing. People who are so ignorant. You gotta go. As an ignorance indeed is a disease. Like I said in the video I did, when the EFCC arrested VDM, they reported in their official page about the arrest of VDM, the reason for the arrest of VDM. Now, when they arrest somebody, especially somebody though controversial or a case though so in a public domain, what they do is that they come to their official Facebook page to announce the arrest of that person, especially in this case of Ogechi, where Ogechi is an American citizen. You could see that now report of the arrest of Ogechi alongside with the arrest of one Canadian man. So, America maybe name or like this, police have to report because Ogechi was an American citizen. So they must report that Nafad is so and so person. It is not just an ordinary person. She is not just an ordinary person. Oga arrested J Park. Did you hear it anywhere? Oga arrested Matthias. Did you hear it anywhere? Those ones do inconsequential. You want to go? Those ones do inconsequential. But oge who abala wani. Oge ablo just anybody. Oge she will wait. Oge she will ngabase. You want to go? So police police have a former governor arrest. A former CBN governor arrest. All these high profile people arrest. Can't you see that na police now? So can you tell me why Umuifule just celebrate if they keep tagging me na post to Nigerian police email? Did they not report the arrest of VDM on or out today? Yeah? You know that? Or on a far report or the arrest of VDM on a VDM Adro release today. I am asking you. So police writing to inform the general public that they have in custody so and so person is what Umuefulefu and they celebrate. I am asking you. Itibonkom. Is that what they are running live program? Umukorobia batana Facebook page biana kwasere makawani. Ogechi egosi gono ifo juwe carry on. Yeah? Bakachuku. Ogechi egosi go keta ka believe no Ogechi wa gbala nwanyị. For Ogechi inwe capacity of ekpokotu umudimpo one na Facebook platform ha nọrọ ebe a na agba asịrị. That is how powerful she has proven to be. Ogechi senu na akwala. Ogechi amesisi anu no balado no na ahụ. Ogechi shunu no ụla. And continue ide shunu ụla. Unu ya anu nwe. Unu ya emecha regret if unu ji decide to be sleeping on her matter. Ibu unu na ala ụla. Unu na-eche maka Ogechi. Ibu unu na-eri nri. Unu na-eche maka Ogechi. Ibu unu na-agba mbọ. Unu na-eche maka Ogechi. That is how shameless some of you do go. Yeah? That is how shameless some of you do go. Look at JPAC. For somebody like JPAC, who is a frequent visitor to police cell, to even come out to come and brag. For somebody like JPAC, who is a frequent visitor to police cell, how many times have you been in and out of police cell? Yeah? Celebrating na arrest Ogechi na on Facebook na atahongo. Baba ego na Facebook na akwụ ụgwọ hapụzi ụmụ okoko na-abịa na Facebook ha abịa eti ha ka iji abala ego my Facebook page adọrọ monetize so nwegodo 1,000 or 50 or 120 million views here onwere ife ofeshirom anything ofeshirom anytime but of unu devela ha unu na-eje na page ije pak eji akwasịrị ego ka unu na-agba ihe uju ụbụrụ unu were achụ ego yes uju unu were akpala ego unu che na unu na ya nọ n'enu unu che na unu na ya nọ kedu ife kpatalụ na nyanwa enweghị ike ije arrest Ogechi on his own accord. He has to wait for mobilization from a woman in Abuja for him to perfect an arrest na Nnewi here. He had to go for a mobilization from a woman in Abuja to go and arrest Ogechi here. Imagine. Now, after arresting Ogechi bacha n'ugbo pụta, you still share by okoko na report ndị mmadụ etu nwanyị ndị mmadụ amọrọdụ most of the things made between ya na Ogechi karịa nke ngụ Ogechi sewasara Ogechi siriri ụbụrụ ipiokpuo nwere ike ime anything no nwanyị Abuja mee something mapụta bịa report or reporter CNN reporter. You have turned yourself into a reporter. Case. Why is it that you cannot do anything? You have failed to do anything. You have failed to do anything. That report case Ogechi na arrest the most controversial and the recent case. I am asking you. I am asking you. The most recent case, why are you meandering and hiding under a woman? Why are you hiding under a woman? Sometimes amukwanu nwoke nyawuru nwoke. Amukwanu nwoke nyawuru nwoke. John Nana Chris, I will allow you to write another comment before I block you. I will allow you to write another comment before I block you. I don't need people like you in my page. I hope you know. You want to go? I don't need people like you in this page. You want to go? Onafubo ife. Ono ya fusi ya nyanaka Ogechi. Ogechi ye megidu n'ife. Ogechi ye megidu n'ife until obosono ya bow down on your knees. Respect you on na Facebook. You want to go? Unu ye mecha bow down. Respect you on na Facebook. Epo mi yi nebe gundu or because na nchori nebe gundu. Epo mi yi ma chori nebe gundu. Apo nya ejen double wrong ka he kporo mpo ye times 100. Owo ni ifi ruo na ina bata he bia kama na unu oye. Epo mi yi decide nebe gundu. It is out of choice. Nya iputa no la ocho la teta ego ezugi nebe gundu. It is because I decided to leave you. Naturally hapo ikpo mi yi adopulu mi yi ahe kporo times 10 kpo nke owe gi iwe mara no etu ahụ nke usi we gi iwe ka nke kporo nsi we mi iwe ọ kari ihe etu ahụ ọ kari ihe etu ahụ. Look at it, because na ndị police report or arrest Ogechi and ụmụ kolobia nọ na celebrate na echi. Is that a news? Is that even a news? People were happy that at least EFCC was able to own up that no farmer arrested VDM. At least it is evident that at least people now know where VDM is. Yeah? People can now settle down. You want to go? Reality TV, if you always boto fake. If you always boto, Zuzuru seba poison, atoro, Zuzuru seba po anwofia. Ichori Ogechi will build the page nwelu 17 followers. Zuzuru seba po, afu mebo na emi post to news mmadụ 50 agoya, or because of mmadụ 50 na bia ago if I watch video ile de ka ayeju ndị mmadụ eju block page. Usuenwele ono. People like you, Chori Ogechi will build their page, and I understand. And ị na-emekwa ne ị na-eme ebelu ndị mmadụ na-achọ ka ha blọk o page o mmadụ 50 ka mmadụ 72 ka mmadụ 30 na-abịa watch ife ya na-anyagasi ọnụ ede ọnya ife anyị agụkwu Ogechi ọma niile exist. Iso na ụmụ ijiji na-efegharị around the Ogechi nọ onye ka ewu. Do I know you? I only saw your comment first today where you were tagging me up and down. Have I ever tagged you? Do I know that you exist? Who are you, by the way? Amadumonye. If I are with Don and Nagasi on Nagasa Chono or mother 22, more mother 15 Yabiane, he just na follow was Ogechi, Nabia, Mefa. Ango says, go my man, stop this play. Ogechi is in Nigeria for 5 months, unprepared. Izuchi Angos, I respect you so much, my brother, but I won't emanate African comment to you before, and I disregarded it. Big Anamayo, oh, my brother. Anamayo, that comment again. I like Ronya. You got to go. Ogechi Adayo, Ogechi, no, Nigeria for 5 months. So she should allow herself, can the mother rubbish here because no, Nigeria. So Ogechi should use because no, Nigeria. Allow one day bully people who were bullying her, or get her back to them. So she should allow them to get away with that because no, Nigeria. Yeah? I am asking you. Yeah? Ogechi na kutas na emife niile na oherisara. Is that not supposed to be a problem? Is that not supposed to be her problem? Is she not an adult? Is she not an adult? Eh? Do you want me to also advise you, because I know you are outside? I left Zambia where even no, but I'm in Nigeria for 1 year, and you can't do it. So allow people to make their decision. Ogechi is an adult. She knows what is good for her. She loves her family more than you. She knows her financial condition more than you. So why are you using none on a Nigeria? Why are you using it? Has Ogechi ever complained to you? Allow her to sort out her case. Yeah? Allow her to sort out her case. You know what I go? Allow her to sort out her case. What I don't understand is when some people say, Ezugo, you are strong for standing up against people who try to victimize or bully Evangelist Ebukobi. But when Ogechi stand up for herself, that is the selective judgment I don't understand. And I don't fancy it, honestly. So, Angus, I respect you so much. I respect you so much. Please, I shall I will look at Ogechi when we problem. Because sir. I don't understand. That selective judgment is that this is a woman you people see in the mother constantly bullying her on Facebook. You see it clearly. Jekwana page J-Pack today now. If we now all manner of them. Yeah? They don't even consider the kind of name Hana Ogechi. They call her all manner of things. In fact, to them Ogechi doesn't exist. Ogechi is not even a human being. Ogechi is not even a big also. And before Ogechi bata, let me block you immediately. Ogechi nyabata. Ebiaze kam block or atoro. Inwe jeli lidan ni wecho wonye gwada nyabata. Hydroquinone serpent, your name says it all. Nazanafa, the saga. Odiafa hana dazo mwe ha Odiafa hana dabu mwe ha. Ha Chineke. Odiafa hana dabu mwe ha Ife magota hodo ka J-Pack isi we no kata Ife magota hodo ka J-Pack isi we no kata jedawu uniform hisie. O jedawu uniform hisie. Honestly, how I wish before that we did there. What I go? Yeah. So, happen. Une puzne fa hunu neku. Ogechi maro ndenya na enwe n'okwu nyacho ha ntu osichecho ha. This is me Ezugo saying it. Yes. You what I go? Owu no decide ya iso ha. Calmly, it is a decision. You what I go? Owu no decide iso ha calmly, it is a decision. Or decide to serve her in the language they understand. It means they understand that language very well. So, don't be upset. Don't be upset. Tony Ball, okay. Jecho nde ya gbasa o nwoke to ka na asị na nwoke do ugly jecho godu need first yotago yota even negwu je godu na page J-Pack ilu ebe ahụ ka ịfụ the kind of names fa na akpọ Ogechi ka ịfụ the kind of iyi fa na aga Ogechi ogogwalo owulu problem ife ha chọrọ owu ka ọkụ ga aka na ọkpa nọrụ gebe ntị ka ha kpọba ya afa kpọba ya ife sọrọfa ịghọtago. I will never for one day. It is her decision. It is her life and not my life. It is her decision to choose to keep calm or to reply in the language they will understand. You got that good? Police is not even the police have the police. I've always said it. Even when Matthias was arrested. You got that good? What I said is that arrest you. You go and prove yourself on how you try to get it. Is your own. I said it and I'm repeating it again. Jekefu Come for when you kiss some go advise her to go and apologize. They again here for my post for the last time. Okay, go to woman just go. I'm going to even name our but you don't want to miss out in any of even neku. So secret to a go up. Don't say anything. Give it. Come here, you can make you a pichu, and then I'm pichu, or whatever. Eh? Emana mpichu, ne yafuzi fendebe, whatever. So, okay, a woman a piano, wouldn't wire pure milk aquanolo, given to me fendebu. Mato Ogechi will buy some of you. I'm sorry to say this, but Mato Ogechi will buy some of you. For the fact that some of you are so biased that you don't see what people say about her. You are only interested in what she says about other people. That is how wicked and selfish some of you can be. If you are my friend and you reason that way, I don't need you as a friend. If you are my friend and you reason that way, I don't see you as my friend. Because they associate yourself from me. I am telling you the truth. They associate yourself from me, because if you behave like them to me, how I will handle you is left for God to decide. I am telling you. Treat Yemuetunda, say treat Ogechi. How I will handle you is only left for God to decide, not man. You want to go? If you don't want to respect me, you don't want to respect how I feel, you don't see me as a human being, but you want me to see you as God. Nke jiwe onye. Eh? Nke jije onye. Eh? Nke jiwe onye. Ekwugo maka onye jelu na nke onye ji ụgwọ. Welu na nke onye ji ụgwọ, welu wee na-ebukosi property onye ahụ ji ụgwọ na ọ chọghị ịkwụ ya ụgwọ. Oche ọmụhụ na ndị pampe na-abịa na compound ahụ ịbịa gba onye ji ụgwọ. Ha wee bịa ruo ebe ahụ wee fizie the guy. Wee ruru ute na ha ji wee chọba that guy ji ụgwọ. Ha wee nwudezie ihe ebe o jere ibu property onye ji ụgwọ. Now, even Najo, how do you want Pampe to handle that matter? Are you going to tell Pampe, please forgive him, give him time, when he has failed to forgive the person Jiogo near time? You see, that is how people live their lives. So sometimes, if you want them to feel the pains of what they are doing to you, give it to them in 100 doses. They may not understand what they are doing. You got to go? That is why they are good in calling somebody, but the moment you respond to them in those, please, why are you calling somebody's father or somebody's mother? But all you are too busy insulting your entire generation. You want to go? Oh, you are too comfortable able now insult your entire generation. But the moment you have a name or one, if you object to his knowledge, no one will come and want you, but all you are parting you at well. Abuja as somebody who God want to use to end all this nonsense and amen on Facebook. But I am seeing Ogechi as the real agent that God want to use. Yes, I am seeing Ogechi as the real omniscatter God will surely use where end this thing and amen on Facebook. You want to go? Because onyo hineme obia zuri feyu echole ima no makoli no hiko na biezu ifa and nefa ho na biezu no na do pemfo ozute je zuru kwa nke ozute. That is why iji afunda na atụ akwụkwọ biko na emetụrụ m aka na ekirikiri m aka na like and love, and ọ bụrụ na share about this video, share this video. You got to go na ekirikiri m aka na like and love, because there is something that is happening. But if you like this video na click na like and love na awu, it will not take anything away from you. You got to go. Na awu or it won't take anything away from you. Yes, na awu na na like and love. You got to go. So they fail to understand the language which they speak. Ogechi will be the agent God will use. We wipe all this nonsense on them on Facebook. She is the real ominiskata. If you run him well on, if you run on ni sorry so, Jekwu Ogechi Kogwagasiaga. Jekwu Kogwagasiaga. Ishokwu no zuru ego Nigeria niile. Onya wonye izizi accuse no zuru ohi. Onya wonye izi accuse for financial fraud. Accuse by VDM for the same thing and so many other people. Uncle Ogechi won't easy. In a celebrate. Ono ye won't say. Onya we finish. If you run and kero hammer, that will be a go Ogechi Okeke put in a cigarette on when if everybody would work about. If I want live broadcasting, in a comment section, you're not going you offer you decide here a reply to you or war yet can you feel you or go barrier. You understand the game of Igbo or go barrier. It's so long so on no go Karaka. A quality on Abia Geba. A quality on Abia Geba. A goy never going to do it ever. Nezu game way for you. Mane gonya kita mbagisia totoro lacha. Nya gonya kita mbagisia totoro lacha because even no kago ma on ya no na comment section there. If only ki yede in 1 minute or 2 minutes we make it finish you. Chere yo gasa ko kwa. Ibebezia kwa ebe no. Ina ato no garizi ebe no. Unu fail to understand the power onye no na screen well over you there. Onya problem unu well. You got to go. No onye no na screen where power over you need. If also go copy onye no na screen can finish you within 1 minute or 2 minutes. You will see he hate you Ogechi no well on ojo kerifi warrior kai bidogo there ba kerifi warrior they fetch some name every day. Up to my camera now, Ogechi echi niile kita Ogechi 1 year. Where Totoruchi some finish here on our mapota. Baby preach. Blah 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 blah. Mana iru ebechi some na pare ye na akuluchi some aka na say right on agbala nwanya I love you for this. Ola uchule echi niile kita teta Totoruchi some taya ka granite. Because all come Ogechi o maka esi atono ka granite. Ogechi maka osi atono ka granite. Ora ashule echi niile kita toto tayo ka granite. E bia na Facebook pechi sivamonte. Pechi sivamonte e bia ni bebe ka hu. Mana mgbe na amagari ka osa na amagari ka uze e maro. Mgbe na amagari ka osa na amagari ka uze e maro ifi na eme mgba. Obiarinze, you are a disgrace to your entire family. You need a disgrace to Ndobodo and Ndobodo Amoni exist. You are a disgrace to your entire family. Amofia. Onye nke na akpọ mama na Abuja doko nwoke ka owu atụrụ. Onye nke na akọla aka right down eze nwanyị agbara nwanyị doko nwoke ka owu atụrụ. Mpama. Ewu susuru si ebe apụọ. Ife aka nji like ife aka nji like ka o si akpọ na ụmụ nwoke amụ mmiri. Ọkpọ na ụmụ nwoke amụ mmiri bụrụ na I am beginning to see why Ogechi ji akpọ na ụmụ nwoke amụ mmiri. Ụmụ nwoke amụ mmiri of course. Keta ka m furu reason Ogechi ji akpọ na ụmụ nwoke amụ mmiri. O ife unu o understand the rule of man. She knows you people of blood ka o bidoro deal with some of you people. So she knows you. I have come to really understand that now. Ogechi Okeke Ogechi Okeke ụmụnwoke amụ mmiri ọkpụ na ya unu eburu ihe ndala unu che nọọsụ unu nwere ọnụ unu daire ọtụtụrụ unu taka granọt unu ebebe ha kwa kedu ife gwado ya atụrụ idekwananụ nke idelu ka ịmụ ife ịchọ ka oge echi kpalidebe mmadụ na Facebook nke idelu kịta awụ broda ka ịkpọrọ m kọmentị ụnụ ọha egosi ụnụ rizi mkpatalụ o ji wee na-apịa ụnụ ịtarị ọ na-apịa ụnụ kọmentị ụnụ ọha egosi ụnụ rizi mkpatalụ o ji apịa ụnụ ịtarị ọ na-apịa ụnụ ọkwọ na ije na peji ijede nọnsensị ya osi etu a jide jaghe elu okwu onye eji oje weta the picture weti wee wụọ gị ahụ weta ọnụ ọwụcha gị dinere ya na n'elu bed isi ga na-eme kwụ ichefuo na trouble the sleep ịnyanga go wake up ịnyanga the sleep trouble go wake up and I'm still praising her. Emmanuel Uzo, I will not stop praising her. Yes, I am still praising her. Or when I'm praising me, praise here. There is nothing you can do about it. I can't just stop praising her. Also, when you know Ogechi by prison, I can't just stop praising her. I can't just stop praising her. So, you wish that you can get people supporting you the way people are supporting Ogechi. Of course, why won't I support a woman at all? Why you get on Abuja na Akolaka nwoke ewu? Why you get non Abuja na Akolaka weyu? Nke na say ride on, nke ya wije na page on our life. You ebe ahụ na Akolia can say ride on. For the moon enwere sense. Yes, some of you enwere sense actually. Nke ahụ na Akolaka there nwoke ka ọwọ bụla nwaanyị ka ọwọ atụrụ. The only challenge nwere owo because na nwaanyị nke na support nwoke. Onya the only problem in mana nke na support na Abuja wagụ nwaanyị ka ọwụ ewu unafubo ife Ogechi wunyawo the nightmare ye end the phone na-eme na Facebook. Yes, Ogechi wunyawo the nightmare ye end the phone na-eme na Facebook because if unu chọrọ wonye ya wono kujuo ọ na-akpọ ojebere akwa mana nyanwa ya ebe akwa ife ọ ya emewu ekoye ọ na-akpụo kwado wee wụọ ya in the language you understand. So Ogechi wunyawo the nightmare God program go develop unu na Facebook you got to go and there is nothing your people can do about it. You got to go. Ogechi has gone into detention. She will still come out. Ono shawulu neyu ono na celebrate ife Nigerian police there na their page. Because na ha report or na ha ji Ogechi na their custody. Emakwa ife una police jidelu mmado report ona fa jonya. Emakwa ife emakwa no go se na ewu mmado. Bagari na police stations niile nwe na Nigeria taa onwe na ndị nọ ebe a 6 months nwere onye ma na fa na ebe a. It is because na fe nwere mmadụ onwere ife fawo afro ha na onwere ife hawo ewuru ha jedebe na police station. Mmadụ meri ga arrest shi imeri intimidation o ya like ka ezụta mmiri ka ndị mmadụ gara ime ebe ị nọ. Ọ na nwere idea mmadụ meri arrest o wee wụrụ na mmadụ chọrọ ka o mesie gị ike ozo your location n'ebe ndị polisi nọ ka ha gara ịma for the mere fact that na polisi jidere iwu wee gwa the members of the public na fajiwu o gosiri na iwu nnukwu mmadụ o gosiri na iwu onye ama ama o gosiri na ịbụrụ just anybody. Yes, o gosiri na ịbụrụ just anybody mana ọnọdụ so daft na ụlọ amara ịchọọ ka ị arrest ya mmadụ gbaa ya ọkụ ka na Nigeria, ịzụta ebe onye ahụ nọ before ndị mmadụ achọta ebe ọ nọ, onye ahụ akụọ na 2 weeks. Ọrịa ụfọdụ ndị ya na-afụ nọcha na prison yard ma ọ nọcha na police station scatter here and there for 6 months 5 months. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha ahụ ndị onye chọrọ ịgba ha ọkụ ka zụtalụ ebe fa nọ mmiri ya ama. O nwere ike after 4 months or 5 months afụ onye ahụ ebe a dọmpụrụ ya na ofu sel somewhere. Nya ka polisi ji mmadụ baa ya wee mee official report that we are holding this person. Ọ na-akpagharị na Facebook na-atagịgharị nne ifewu a good news, a very good news, a very good news and a welcome development that na police owned up. They should be even commended for doing so. They owned up that we have this so and so person in our custody. You know that go? We have so and so person in our custody. It is a welcome development. No onye chọrọ imesi gị ka anyị ekwedi ka ndị mmadụ mara ebe ọ nọ, mana ụfọdụ n'ime ha awụ okpo ka ha wụ. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha awụ okpo ka ha wụ. Ha na-celebrate ha na-celebrate na ndị polisi na ndị polisi kwuru na ha ji Ogechi. Chineke, kpọrọ ya afa ọdụ mmụọ eze akwụna mana ihe aza ịghọtago. Ịpụta ịkparịa ya, ọkparịa nne ya iwe ịma ọnụọwụ emoda ọkwe. Ịpụta ịkparịa ya, ọkparịa nne ya iwe ịma ọnụọ emoda ka ọwụ. Ana m ajụ ya ajụjụ na afọ bụ ife. N'afọ bụ ife. The only crime people like us committed, we refuse to hate Ogechi the way because you hated her. We refused, and that is the only crime I committed. I refuse to hate Ogechi because no he hated you. Onyekewu mejuwe inherit your enmity. Who are you to me? Anama chukele. But can only you to me made you inherit your enemy? In case you were one nam or case you were one name, come on, I business. Can you call Monago made you hating mother because he hated you? You ought to go because of your personal or go mother. Sometimes I don't know how our people on your pattern and they buy na need sometimes can you can treat here. Sometimes never you need Ogechi in your life. So many people need the spirit of Ogechi in their life. Ogechi will haunt you today, haunt you tomorrow, and haunt your everlasting. Ogechi make it dogi fe a malo na cup white corner. Ogechi make it dogi fe a malo nya a malo na black or black white or white. Because he will be careful white, man wear black, and never an second na if I would white in a claim, na if I in a claim, man no Gechi make it to give a malona white call by fire by force. You got to go. All the things on na accuse you we for no go times 100 against. I can never pity for JPAC one day. In fact, Ogechi Putakwechi in work with JPAC. I will support Ogechi. You think in a JPAC if a JPAC in a bella of Lonyeke, don't you know him? Emma who know JPAC all that dog or Piaye or the Ogechi will shop at an ono a hate Jebono Baraka. You ought to go ono a de Jebono Baraka. I'm only got a good event now. I am a realist. I am a realist. Yours as Ogechi haven't seen her kids and age mother for 5 months. You will not end well on this social media. Abuja woman. Yeah? I am a realist though. I keep saying it. That is why when I show myself my color towards onye likely, you will understand what I'm doing. But when I do it no onye like you will not understand. And I don't expect you to understand. Yes. I don't expect you to understand. You will not understand, and I don't expect you to understand. Tochukwu Michael, you do how business. That one is your business. How you figure what I say is your entire business. It's not mine. You gotta go. I'm telling you, it's not mine. That is your entire business. You gotta go. So, Ogechi is the end time. Norman Imen Dono. She will keep haunting you people until the day you people will learn to respect other people's feelings. Until the day you people will choose to respect how other people feels. The feelings of others. You gotta go. The feelings of others. But the moment I go in water here, the reality will be done on you. I am a realist. I have repeated it again. I don't live my life to impress you. I have people I respect. Yes, I have people I respect. But I'm going, and I may make can please you for what? Chena page J-Pack Keta. Ilu eba ifwebe ha na-ere all manner of ifa on Ogechi. Ifu nde ya na ebe a na-akọrọ fa aka. Okpofeta ha na page Ogechi. This woman ono ga ajoka. This woman ono ga ajoka. Even oye je na comment section. Fwebe akpolo Ogechi akwuna. Olu ebe a okirike on like emoji. Oluzie ebe Ogechi kpolo mmadu akwuna. Okirike with angry emoji. Lovette Amaka, thank you very much. Now I ask you, does it mean na n'ime mmadụ na-aba na onwere onye deserve ịkpọrọ ya kwụna aha akpọ? Ghọta na ebe nneje. Ghọta na ebe nneje. Some of these guys cannot even take quarter of abuse Ogechi take go na Facebook. Kedu ifo melu ka nna ajụ? What is her crime? For those you were 450 something million. And a story. Yeah? I am still waiting for the day Ken Palace of Justice will come out and apologize to Ogechi publicly for making himself a tool for people to use. Come out and tell people the truth. Come out and tell people the truth. Because you guys started all this. If you have been on Facebook, because forgive Ogechi, you know that you are part of the people who the mortal Ogechi na for today. You want to go? Ken Palace of Justice, you are part of the people. Mortal Ogechi in Afu today. Yes. You are part of the people Mortal Ogechi in Afu today. Because you people recruited yourself into one page. And the Oye Palace of Justice. You people come together every day to sit down and discuss and plot the downfall of one person. All of you gathered for months, for years, against one person. And in a bid for her to defend herself. That is the Ogechi you are seeing today. And some of you will come today and look at her and pretend that you don't know what is happening. Can you take quarter of what Ogechi takes from people? Can you take quarter of what Ogechi takes from people? I stand with her. gidigba. I stand with her gidigba. I am telling you. If again, I repeat it. Even if Ogechi decide to use Ibereye, Bulgaria na the whole police in Abuja, I still stand with her. I can never, never question her decision. I can never. Onye amabuho or onye experience but even a conspiracy. Some of you Zionites who come out to say no Ogechi na Zion. I keep saying it. The moment the Madu Deluvido we mention the name of Evangelist Ebuka, you don't want somebody to do that. Now, that is Evangelist Ebuka, your spiritual father. Imagine what Ogechi passes through in the hands of these people. I want you to put them side by side. Is it because Evangelist Ebuka is a prophet, or they respond by himself, but rather people respond on his behalf? Do you know the level? Do you know the level you have gone just to prove to people that Evangelist Ebuka is not bad? Do you know the level? Do you know what the names that people has called you? Do you know how people have qualified you? Do you know where people has placed us? Some of them could serve they place like on a salary. Some of us who we can comfortably pay salary are saying that we are jobless. There is nothing they have not labeled us. Now imagine if it is Evangelist Ebuka defending himself by himself. Imagine. I am only trying to make you see the tight corner where Ogechi is, because somebody can yama. I am asking you, did you see the level of conspiracy they have planned all this while about Evangelist Ebuka? Imagine if there are no people here and there taking up that battle. Imagine. I want you to understand what these guys subjected Ogechi through all these years. At a point, the only option is for her to take the bull by the horn. The only option is for her to stand up and defend herself. That is the only way she is still up and kicking today. Otherwise, in the aim, Akemege will lose focus and direction. Ogechi was one of the, or was rather, if not the first person, below all this NGO or raising money on Facebook. Some people fear, although are too strange, they never understood what it was then. They gathered themselves. They gathered themselves together to go after a woman. They gathered themselves today. When I look at some people, if we be the one who that blah 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 about VDM's NGO, I see people who condemns Ogechi coming there to say, "Ongonya wasalo, kerife wasalo na NGO ye." That is the same people who are coming out to say that Ogechi the Lego NGO and the mad. All no way he first supposed to concern the one on an NGO account of VDM. Kerife concern on an NGO account of Ogechi. I am asking you. Nguma wonyo mena na buze eziokwu firulu no way first supposed to concern na NGO Matthias. Kerife concern on an NGO Ogechi. I am asking you. You want to go? Have you seen why we can never make any headway? Because you think now no go wonye mwife iche no uburu woke ejiwere uburu ayi niile mana imo na ka ị na-eche nke ụka na-eche nke if ị na-echere ịdị iche n'ife na-eche. In fact, right now I am making this broadcast, you don't even know what I am thinking. That is what I have seen. You don't even know what I'm thinking. You what I go? It is the same you, or it was the same you who came out and defended Ijele. That in Ijele, I suppose you can arrest here, even after going extra mile to threaten the life direct of Evangelist Ebukobi and the family. Even when Ijele openly threatened the life of Evangelist Ebukobi, the mother and the family, you came out to say, "Now they victimize Ijele. Can you find arrest Ijele because of no freedom of speech?" You want to go? Now, the same Ijele who said all manner of things with his mouth, and you think he doesn't deserve to be arrested, you are now concerned with Ogechi Okeke, and you think he should be crucified. If you think it is freedom of speech, if you think it is victimization, what has changed? Some of you people, Ogechi Okeke, I don't blame her. I have seen your videos. I have seen what you people, I have seen what you people have said about her during the time of Ogechi versus JPAC. I watched JPAC video, I watched Ogechi's video. Ogechi na-ekwu ka JPAC na-ekwu, Ogechi na-ekwu ka JPAC na-ekwu, Ogechi na-ekwu ka JPAC na-ekwu. Today, you want us to forget everything JPAC said and focus on what Ogechi said. They play. You are a joker. You will cry the day Ogechi Yapota. Go and mark today's date. You will sit down to plan again. Continue planning. Ogechi will be moving ahead. I'm happy. Put all of you side by side. Put all of you side by side. All the people who are conniving, conspiring, and planning against Ogechi. Put all of you side by side. Ogechi Barono 100-0 on a personal level. On a personal level. Mandeneko na family Rudi Faneko on a personal level. Obado Igbo. You want to go? What does it show? That why you people are focusing your energy, plotting her downfall. She's busy focusing her energy, building herself. Yes. She is busy planning her life and herself, planning the success you are jealous of today. Respect other people if you want people to respect you. Respect other people. Igbo monyohi. Enwere right and freedom Igbo ifo. Iprove na mu wonyohi, iprove na wefa. Esekwazie na ma wonyohi aspango na ife mkporo. Okari hetua. Man ideba ho ne ya akpomo wonyohi. Akawazie runga aka mo wejezie mbe akwa. Ose na mu wonyohi. You are joking. You are joking. Imege ponu kpomo wonyohi. Imege ponu kpomo wonyohi. Agwango onye owo ngo jetoro. Agwango onye so na nde jetoro. Imege ponu kpomo wonyohi. Agwango onye so na nde jetoro. Ofu owofu. but also a man how to put your mouth and talk. You want to go? Okay, you do it. On a big how to make videos on Facebook. Look at some of you. Somebody like Mexico and do I know what to do to some of you circulating my pictures on your pages. I know what to do, but I don't need I practice what I preach. I'm sorry to say that. I practice 100% what I preach on this social media app. I know some of you. I know what they will do to you if you ever put their picture or their video to talk nonsense. I know what they will do to you. That is how wicked those people are. In Facebook, but you put my picture, you put my this thing, you say all manner of things you want to say, you get away with it. Yet you go watch your mad. You share some video, you do whatever thing, yet if I watch your mad, all the people who are even tolerating you, yeah, we fail. Guru Igbo, I will celebrate my birthday 100%. Ishoje Kwisi na koda. You got to go? Ishoje Kwisi na koda. Yes. You got to go? Ishoje Kwisi na koda. I will celebrate my birthday more than 100%. Yes. He will look at the phone Ogechi. Or wish him a resounding happy birthday on that day. You gotta go. I came to social media all over social media platform before I came to this app. Look at you. You no go front, you no go back. If you like, change your idea, change how you think and reason so that you can grow. It is an advice to you. Change how you think and reason. The way you think and the way you reason. Sometimes, I'm if an adult. And I'm going to somebody do so much bitterness and hatred in his heart like you. If you have your way, I know what you will do. But God can never allow people like you to have your way. God can never allow people like you to have your way. And that is why you can keep imagining, why is people like Ogechi, or why are people like Ogechi progressing? Hey, Loveta Maka, 800 stars. Hey! 800 stars. Thank you very much, Lovette. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ask yourself, why is it that she is always progressing, not minding a bellow journey bad wishes wish. You people wake up every day and pray that everything Ogechi they make collapse the next day. Yet she keep progressing more than all of you who are fighting her. She is successfully married to a very understanding husband, the one who stands by her like sound mind, stand for by Angela Mosu. Yet in all your wisdom, every day in a plaster every day ana kuri ono. Ana kuri ono, ana ejo la sachiganya. Ana ejo la sachiganya, mali anya ugo oni na ekpugebe anya in all your wisdom. You gotta go in all your wisdom. Nyanwa na progress na ga odoka ya say no na ga effortlessly. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu si na unu ejego na arụsị. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu si na unu ejego ebe niile unu dewere n'ọta n'ebe ekpere still ekpere niile ahụ ife niile ahụ unu na-eme na-atụ unu into success for her. Ogechi can buy J-Pack 100 of J-Pack na ịkpọba ha na shelf. Ogechi can buy J-Pack 100. Yes. Are you not aware? Anamatoga. You people should allow that woman to rest. You people should allow that woman to rest. I don't support oppression. I don't support victimization. I am against Ijele today because onwere ife Ebuka Obi mere Ijele wee bilite wee kpuru Ebuka Obi n'ọnụ wee na-akọli wee na-akpọ ya not for one day ka evangelist Ebuka Obi meghere ọnụ si Ijele. But in Ogechi's case, everybody that Ogechi has talked about, Ogechi and Ogechi will problem on social media. I can show you videos where you talked about her. Yes, I can show you videos where you talked about her. Look at somebody look at. Can one name J-Pack no Ethiopia. Kelafe page alosia na akorogbangbanka ogono. Kelafe afa nwanne J-Pack ya no Ethiopia. No na Facebook openly si na Ebuka Obi na akpọ ntu. Si na Ebuka Obi na akpọ ntu. So no onye pụta na Facebook abe caution Ogechi abe advice ya on how to conduct ourselves on Facebook. Philip nya asịrị m Chineke azịgbakwo ya azịgbakwo. Look at somebody nọ na Facebook kpọọ mmadụ afa si na onye ahụ na-akpọ ntu. Ịma mmadụ one nọ na Facebook ebe a wee kwuo na onye dị otu a na-akpọ ntu, onye dị otu a na-akpọ ntu, onye dị otu a na-eme nka, makwa mmadụ one kwugolu ihe onye ọrụ na-aghọ Facebook advisor because of Ogechi. Because of Ogechi. Ishefuzie. Huh? All of you will be put to shame. Come on, Balloon. Look at Ezikuku. The video is on my page. Not go. If men we are God, black, thank you. Ezikuku. No na Facebook we will openly na evangelist Ebuka Obi na akpọ. The video is on my page. Ezikuku bia na Facebook bia advice ya on how to Shioma Samuel, God will punish your entire generation. Sarah Zuzu Poiso, bia blocked. God will punish your entire generation. Or not punish you if you cannot sleep because of Ogechi. Is that not punishment? Which wickedness, which punishment can you tell me the wickedness, the punishment? Some of you are to go punished already, but you don't know. Some of you are to go punished already for the mere fact that you can sit and discuss a woman who doesn't even know that you exist. Look at advice mad. Advice. Some of you who know worst things about people on Facebook here. Is it because how many of them not on Facebook? Guru Ezi was self nke had ma akwa afara akpọ You don't exist. You look at even the man. Look at how people are playing around with you. Look at even the man. You don't even exist or mean anything. Even the man. Yeah, that is what you have reduced yourself on this Facebook because of a check. Omazi with light brain. You gotta go. Omazi with light brain. Some of them have said worse things about Evangelist Abe Kobe. Some of them have said worse things. Your only nightmare is that Ogechi confront all of you. Your only nightmare will be because Ogechi confront all of you. You gotta go. Unafubo hive. Nenu ha fake account. Fake account. Fake account. Is that not how sleepless night? Do I have a fake account? No. Yes. Do I have a fake account? No. JPAC confirmed it by himself. Did they now watch a program here? Or was it na Ibem may happen to have fake account or now watch my real account or now watch it? But the question is, the question is, why will I watch you with a fake account? That is the question. The question is, why will I watch you with a fake account? On my real account to watch you. Why should I hide to watch you? Why should I hide to watch your video? If I want to watch your video to see what you are doing, I will watch with my real account. I don't have any fake account. If I comment in your post, that says Ezugo commented. If you see me coming to watch you, that is Ezugo coming in live to watch you. So your people started creating fake account just to be causing Ogechi. Kunu wena go Ogechi, kunu wena boyfa, kunu wena boyfa. Mwanya Abuja ha na-ekwu ọkwa voice note wedu all over. Ọpụta threatening ndị mmadụ. Na onye share voice note here, onye share voice note here. Yeah. You cannot hide away the fact that na basaga. Ina basaga. Sina saga po kasaga si ebe no po. That is the truth. That is the truth. Ina basaga. Sina saga po kasaga si ebe no po. That is the last advice I will give you. But if you think you can go until the day iya shopota ni mega hiri ni yeji nwe jegoro uno na leki. Jejuo nde meru case. Jejuo nde mbu meru case. I don't want to call names for you. Jejuo nde mbu nde meru case. Ha mechara regret ya na ukwu na farm. Na ha ka eji ega weje mepụta something do reasonable. Okari hetu a. You gotta go. Okari hetu a. The rule is very simple. Igano ilo mwegu. Ogechi akpaliayo. I've never seen that. Onyo wona nyano Ogechi nwere problem. Nwere genesis of that problem. Onyo wona nyano Ogechi nwere problem. Nwere genesis of that problem. If you want to solve that problem, go to the very first beginning. You want to go? Nna Chinedu, if you will okay, if you will complete Obo, the greatest Obo of the century, in a advice on your advice will about advice ya will about advice ya you know Ogechi advice ya will there at all. Don't involve Zion in what you are doing. We can't involve Zion in what we are doing. But Ogen Kijele, we can involve Zion at all. Yeah? Ogen Kijele, we can involve Zion. Oluono Ogechi, we cannot involve Zion. prove one nketa na ibulu ewu. Just prove to me now na ibulu ewu. Don't involve Zion. Don't involve Zion. Anyway, I'm a stressful day today. I just came online to tell you people now, for the celebrate police publication. I'm so ashamed of them. And then Chenahan will oboro. When man I am well oboro. What I go? Amorquam na common na police deluna haji Ogechi. Amorquam no of the word celebrating. I don't know. I don't know that nor the what celebrating. Anyway, be gone. Kabanita mala imwa. Kabago. Kabanita mala imwa. For all the lovers of Ogechi, one word I have for you people. Joy is coming. Joy is coming. Okay, here to joy is coming. Kabani amala imma. Catch your phone.